Brad Williams, XL Prime. This is going to be a repeat. We're looking at placing rows 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 into a new list. The only change here would be additional tools that you can use. Over here in the narrative are some helpful hints. Read it. There's also some what to do in the case of an error. You'll read this at your leisure. This one is very straightforward. Maybe some helpful tips that I didn't introduce in the first two tutorials. But work it out. Play around with these numbers here in the anatomy. Over here in G5 is the formula. No, we just have this in row structure, not into a list array or any other format. We can put this into a couple of different layouts. I want you to play around with that. Break this anatomy down if you need to. Brad Williams, XL Prime, Williams out.